Hi everybody, here's your homework for Tuesday. Today you need to choose a book on Raz and then record your reading. And then after you need to choose your own homework, so you click here. And there are 10 assignments, okay? Elige tu propia aventura hoy. Haga clic en las instrucciones para obtener más información sobre la tarea. So, por ejemplo, si quieres hacer esto, I'm going to watch the directions. Después veo las instrucciones. I go back here y estoy listo para la tarea. Okay, so you just need to do one a day. Solo necesita hacer uno cada día. You can choose any one. And if it doesn't have instructions, si no tiene instrucciones, it's just a video. Okay, so you don't need to use instructions for the video. Just watch the video. All right. Don't forget we have our Zoom meeting on Thursday at 1 p.m. See you there.